Let's talk about what kills flea eggs. And honestly, there are not a lot of things that do. Flea eggs are very, very hardy. Fleas like to jump off your pet and lay eggs in carpeting or pet bedding. And this is the first part of the flea cycle. There are some commercial products that are out there that claim to kill flea eggs, but always check with your veterinarian first to make sure that that is safe to apply to your carpeting or to your pet's bedding. As far as other products that can directly kill flea eggs, it's very difficult to accomplish. However, secondarily preventing eggs from being hatched is a good way to go. Something like Frontline Plus, the plus part actually is S-methoprene, which is an insect growth regulator. So what that does essentially is prevent fleas from being able to hatch eggs and to have eggs. And so by doing that, that breaks the cycle and thus prevents more eggs from building up. A first line of defense to kill flea eggs is honestly just washing bedding. Washing eliminates and kills flea eggs just by default. The other way to deal with flea eggs in the environment is lots of vacuuming, especially in carpeting. Carpeting is a very, very common place for flea eggs to build up. Fleas like to lay eggs there, and so vacuuming can eliminate that, and washing can kill flea eggs as well.